Once you've opened your invitation design in Canva, type the address where you want your guests to go. For example, the venue or your home address. Next, double-click the text where you want to insert the location link. Then, go to Google Maps and search for the location. Click on the Share button, and then click Copy Link to copy the map link. It doesn't matter if your location is a business or a private residence. You can still drop a pin anywhere on the map and copy the coordinates using the Share button. Once you've copied the link, return to your Canva design. Highlight the text, like here or your address. Click the link icon and paste the link. Click Done, and the hyperlink will be added to your invitation. Now go to the Share button in Canva. Choose Download, select PDF, and download your file. Once your PDF is ready, anyone who clicks the link in the invitation will be taken directly to Google Maps. From there, they can simply click on directions to get to your event location. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.